Let me tell you, you see, I love that man. I love that Sunday Igboho with everything in my life. I love him passionately. I love him in any other way. That boy had no reason giving himself problem. He has enough money to maintain himself. But because of our heritage, the boy, you can see, that's the mission given to him by God. Are you with me? That's the mission given to him by God. But is it not the same as people too that sold them? Síbi tó dá tó lẹ̀ Yorùbá, ibi ìgan ọ̀dọ̀ wa nìkan ni peace wà. There's no peace anywhere. Are you with me? I have suggested this thing over 10 years now that we need to bring up our hunters. Àwọn ló mọnú igbó yẹn. Are you with me? We don't need all this cosmetic officials situation. No. Let us bring in our hunters and other bile and fix them on salaries so that and then if you look at the southwest, they are bordered together. A town to they are bordered together. If there's a network between them, are you with me? We prefer hunters because they know their terrain.
Bàbá ti ṣe o, ohun tó ń bà wá lẹ́rù bàbá ti ṣe o, gẹ́lẹ́ ló ṣe, ohun tó ń bà wá lẹ́rù bàbá ti ṣe o. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí, ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, according to the time tí ń bá bá yín. Ẹ wò ó lórí ètò lónìí, díẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ń gbọ́nu ẹ̀ tí ì gbọ́n kankan nínú ìrìn àjò tá a jọ máa rìn báyìí lórí ètò. Ẹ wá wo àrà, ẹ wo ìgbésẹ̀ kábíyèsí Ọọ̀ni ti ilẹ̀ Ifẹ̀, ilé Ifẹ̀, ọba Adéyẹyè Ògúnwùsì Ọ̀jájá. Èmi máa sọ pé jìgbìnì bí àtẹ ìpín. Ẹ wá wo àrà tí bàbá yìí dá nípa kíni ìgbédìde ọmọ Yorùbá, òmìnira ọmọ Yorùbá lọ́wọ́ pétò à ń pa ni o, à ń kíni gbé o, ẹ wò ó, ẹ máa gbọ́ gudugbẹ̀ lónìí, ẹ sì máa fojú ara yín rí. bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ tún rí àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ ti bàbá pé tó bàbá báyìí lórí báyìí kọ́ lórí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni mo gbé pọ̀ sójú kan náà tí mo kó wá bí bàbá ìṣúá. Ẹ gbà wípé ohun tí bàbá wa Pòfẹ́sọ̀ Adébánjí Akíntóyè ń sọ nípa àwọn kábíyèsí wọn ò parọ́. Wípé àwọn kábíyèsí yìí ni wọ́n ń bẹ pẹ̀lú wa o. Oloye Sunday Igboho ṣà owó bàbá Adámẹ́ sọ jáde lẹ́nu pé ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà àwọn kábíyèsí wa o, ẹ má rò pé ẹ má rí rò ó. Ìpè bóyá ẹ̀rù ń bà àwọn kábíyèsí irọ́ o. Ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà ọmọ léyẹyẹ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà ọmọ ogun ó sí o. Bẹ́ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà ọmọ òwádé o. Bẹ́ẹ̀rù bá bẹ̀ yín ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà ọmọ olúfẹ́ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀rù ń bà yín ẹ wí o, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà ọmọ aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ o. Ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà wa, ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà ọmọ aláké kọ̀bá wùjalẹ̀ kọ̀bá níbo ẹ̀rù ọ̀bà wa. Ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lásìkò, ọ̀yá ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé yín wọnú ètò ká máa wọnú ara wọn kájọ máa jáde ká máa bá a bọ̀ torí ẹni bá a lọ òun lọ bá a kú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọlé ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ṣe ẹ máa bá mi pín, ẹ farabalẹ̀ wo fídíò yìí, ẹ share ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn. Ẹ wo orú ìgbésẹ̀ tí bàbá yìí gbé, kí kálukú máa wá kọ́mẹ̀ǹtì orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá la fẹ́. Ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá ti wá rí ìpè sí àkíyèsí ẹ máa pè, ẹjá máa pa àwọn bàbá wa yìí sákíyèsí. Èmi ti lákíyèsí kan tí wọ́n pe bàbá sí, ó dẹ̀ yìí kí n tó lọ sọ tèmi. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin ẹ máa jù sí comment section, bàbá máa rí ohun rèé ṣó níbẹ̀.
I thought you would all stand up again to do this amendment. Thank you very much. Clap for yourself and be seated. Clap for yourself and be seated.
Millions are that.
Ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ń rí ààfin kábíyèsí ọba Adéyẹyè Ògúnwùsì Ọ̀ọ̀nìrìṣà òun ni àwà báyìí níbi tí wọ́n ti ń gbàlejò àwọn ọdẹ ìlú tí wọ́n ti kó jọ tí wọ́n ti fún ní ẹ̀kọ́ lóríṣiríṣi. Àmọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ farabalẹ̀ wo fídíò yìí kẹ́ ẹ lè bá rí àpẹẹrẹ kan àbí mìíràn àbí àpèsí tẹ́ ẹ lè pe bàbá sí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀ bá pàdé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ nípa òmìnira orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ó ń bẹ ń bí. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ máa bá mi bọ̀. Kí wá làwọn èèyàn sọ, àwọn aráàlú tá a gbọ̀rọ̀ lẹ̀ lẹ́nu wọn ohun táwọn èèyàn sọ jáde nípa ètò yìí. Ẹ máa rí gbogbo ibi tó ti ṣe àwọn èèyàn ní fẹ́nìwò tí wọ́n wà gangan làwọn èèyàn ti ń rí nǹkan kan àbí mìíràn wé láti máa sọ fún bàbá kúdò. Àwọn tó sì ń sọ tiwọn náà lọ́nà ọ̀tọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀nà ìgbaninímọ̀ràn ni. Ọ̀yá ẹ tẹ̀síwájú ṣó níbẹ̀.
Every day, people are dying because of 5,000 naira drug. They couldn't afford it. People are dying, and you are saying you are running government. Is this a government? This is just a charade. This is the worst government in the whole world. The mineral resources in Nigeria is almost 60%. Are you with me? Better than the whole of Europe put together. What's the population of Europe put together? What's the population? 200 million useless people. Only 2,000 politicians have destroyed the country. Running the affairs of 200 million people. Is that a country? Nonsense. So this is it. And all of them, where were they in 1999? All of them were singing like birds. They were all squatters. Bunch of non-entities. Nothing. Go and look at their records. Where are they coming from? But you see them in their hot short dresses and their shoe polished. You understand? Travel from here to Benin Republic, you live. When you are in Nigeria, you exist. Síbi tó dá tó lẹ̀ Yorùbá, ibi ìgan ọ̀dọ̀ wa nìkan ni peace wà. There is no peace anywhere. Are you with me? I I've suggested this thing over 10 years now that we need to bring up our hunters. Àwọn ló mọnú igbó yẹn. Are you with me? We don't need all this cosmetic officials situation. No. Let us bring in our hunters.
Àwọn ọdẹ ìbílẹ̀.
And ọdẹ ìbílẹ̀ and fix them on salaries so that owó láì tẹ́ ẹ máa fún wọn ìyàwó ọmọ gbogbo wọn á lè gbọ́ bùkátà ara wọn. And then gbogbo, if you look at the southwest, gbogbo they are bordered together. A town to they are bordered together. If there's a network between them, are you with me? We prefer hunters because they know they are terrain.
Inside that bush, inside that jungle, a lot of things are happening from there that we cannot see. You are our eye. You are our watchword. You are our guide. I ascended in June 2015. This is one of my main assignments. Immediately I ascended in June, December 2015. We started meeting few months, just like 2-3 months after, to cover the security of the entire southwest. Started from there with all the hunters. And to the glory of God, to compare to what we are seeing today, all the uniform we are wearing today, everything that has to do with NFSS, it started from the hunter. And now it is now nationwide.
500 people will die. They don't have data. They don't know them. They don't know. They just say, we are sorry. What? Look, since we have been facing this problem in this country, the next is president will call them. Oh no, you have to rejig. What are you rejigging? What is it? Where are the equipment?
And then President Tinubu is already in Benue now.
Forget about Tinubu in Benue. What is that going to be? All the policemen move to Benue. Within the next 3 weeks, they will leave the place. So what are you saying? So this is the point. There is no empathy in this country. Lifespan of a man, the value of a man in Nigeria is 7,500. If you look at the television, you will see all those headhunters. They ask them, how much were you giving? Say 7,000 was given to behead a man, whereas the head of a car is almost about 200,000. Yeah. So is this a country? Is this a country? Where nothing in National Assembly, nothing is discussed about the security, about life of Nigerians. Nothing, absolutely. They are full of frivolities.
Less than 2 weeks ago, I was with Mr. President and he talked about you very graciously and all my friends.
No matter what they are doing here, it will be controlled from Abuja. Are you with me? So what they will suppress the ones in the south. Anywhere they want to operate, they will suppress them. It is the state. We want the state police. We want the state hunters. Let each state recruit them. Not a central one at all. At all.
Pé kíkó wọn sábẹ́ Nàìjíríà yẹn lè.
Ẹgbẹ́ bákan náà ni àwọn Fúlàní la máa direct wọn lókè. Nǹkan tó bá ní kàn ṣe náà wọ́n máa ṣe. Tí wọ́n bá gbìyànjú wá ní kan filẹ̀, máa filẹ̀.
Today is one of my happiest days on the throne because I'm very fulfilled. That this small vision, the entire nation has now finally taken it. It was a big struggle, but I want to thank your leader, OJ. The two, they are going together. OJ. I am very happy and very fulfilled working with all of you to have seen this to become a reality. I want to assure you one more time, Mr. President is so committed to it. You don't even have an idea of how committed he is to this cause. So many things that we came up with within the palace that has not seen the light of the day. But to the glory of God, this one is seeing the light of the day. I want to thank all of you. All all of you, because of your commitment to this cause, I want to appeal to you all. Do not compromise.
Yes, sir.
When you get to that bush, remember the son and daughter of who you are.
Yes, sir.
You know hunters. It's a very strong body.
Yes, sir.
Because hunting expedition is very synonymous to truth. Please hold on to that truth.
What is happening in Nigeria now Nigeria is part of the global village. Within a second, all over the world is watching. Are you with me? They are watching.
More or less.
It's an orchestrated. Yes, they know. Look at how many Nigerians, millions of Nigerians are terrorists and bandits. Not even a single high-profile trial of one bandit or terrorist. Nothing. You know what kind of a country is this? I said it in 1999. You know, AIT, that the greatest mistake Nigeria is going to make is by going into democracy now. Because Nigerians are not this. I did not know this. Look at it. Military don't develop this place. Look at what they have made out of this place. Yes, of course. Okay. So what is going on? A country of 200 million people, a country of 200 million people, only 2,000 people are destroying the country. All of them are not more than 2,000. They have stolen the whole money, blue, black, and red. And these are the people that were telling us the worst of democracy is better than the best of the military. Is the military not better 1 million times? Military beef for refineries? Are you with all those who attack? Deep free water in every village, everywhere in the bushes? And now, look at them. Are you with me? Do they want to tell us with the colossal amount in their budget every year, then even the police, the army, how much are they paid? A cadet in UK has better than the IG in Nigeria. So are you with me? The useless, the old skill in this country, destroy them. All our boys are now on drugs. They cannot afford to die. They are now on drugs. It's okay when they take drugs. The next thing is crime, and you are now making noise, crying, doing all this kind of a thing. All our ladies are now prostitutes to feed. What kind of society is this? It's just a naughty society that is not meant for any human being.
NHFSSE.
Yes. It's not going to do anything. Forget it. There is no result that will come out of it. The military has no result. The police has no result. All paramilitary no result. What are you going to do for them? They just turn them into the bushes and they'll be killed. Many of them will be killed by all these bandits and terrorists. The military, they are killing military. There is no equipment. You understand what I'm saying? There is no surveillance equipment. There is no drone. Nothing. And you want to just enter the bush? You're naked. Are they telling you that you have to go to all these companies to equip you? What are you going to? Even when they equip you, how are you going to do the arrest? What are you going to do? So forget it. The moment you are dehumanized, you have no interest in your operations, and that's all.
I think it's a process to graduate into community policing.
The community, listen to me. We have been advocating for community policing over 15 years. It's never done. We have been because you see the syndrome in this country is Nigerians are too docile. Docility is one of our problems. When the government is doing something and nobody is talking, it will continue. Why are you doing? That's it. They are supposed to be our own servants, but we are their servants. They get a position of power, and that's the reason why they will never give anything or attention to anything that is domesticated. No. That's why they will never approve any region or something, because why? They know that they have to manipulate elections, so they will use it to their advantage, and that's all. Where is this a country? Is this a country where you wake up, you don't even know anything that's going to happen to you, you don't know what will happen to your children, you don't know what to happen? There's no data. Is this a country? No data. They don't know anybody. 500 dies with them, no record. Is this a country? Is this a country where the people up there, they don't know what's going on down here? They don't know. There's a lacuna between the top and the bottom. Is this a nation? If you go to Office of Statistics, are you with me? Just you Google it. The death rate in Nigeria. Àwọn Yorùbá ti gbàgbé orísun. And ìjọba tí ò bá ti dá, ó máa ń ba orísun jẹ́ ni. tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ wá wò wá nǹkan tó ṣe wá ni pé àwọn gómìnà wa gan wọn ò ṣe dáadáa rárá wọn ò ṣe dáadáa torí the constitution guarantees them. Are you with me? And give them the latitude to be in charge of their people, the life and property of their people. They are chief of security officers of their states. That's number one. Number two, they have everything to protect the tradition and the culture of their place. But they are not different from anybody. Money, money, money. They are not. They don't care. Look, I want to tell you, is it not a disgrace? During the time of the sage, the chief Awolowo, you understand? These people ruled for only 7 years. 7 years. They got to a level that they gave loan to federal government. And they put Nigerian name on the world map, on global map. Are you with me? The first high-rise is Yoruba land. The first division before France, Yoruba land. The first red division before many countries, Yoruba land. The high-rise, Yoruba land. The Liberty Stadium, Yoruba land. You understand? The first five-star hotel, you understand? Yoruba land. Then the industries, Yoruba land. Estates, Yoruba land. Odua estate. You understand? Cocoa industry, Yoruba. Now, all these things were done in 7 good years, my friend. Talking about Nigeria entity, why can't our people start replicating all these things? You know, they don't want the
governors.
Yes. So I don't blame you, blame federal government. That's your own business. Federal government only might develop there now. What are you looking for? So when you see all these things, our governors in Southwest, they have this intellectual poverty. Our governors in Southwest, most of them are intellectual. They have this intellectual poverty. They have nothing on ground. Look at what they are turned Southwest to. Is the president coming to Southwest to rule Southwest for us? How come we come to this level? For all the people you put there, they don't have sense at all. They have connections. So the connections are connections of thieves and robbers, gangsters, political gangsters. So they are not looking for posterity what's going to happen tomorrow. Look at how can Southwest become like this? How come? You put them in power, no way. Obasanjo was in government, Southwest was the worst. Tinubu is there now, Southwest is the worst. Because do you know, how can you look at the road in Southwest and you are constructing road from Lagos to Calabar? Tell me that thing that they have never done as we are here. Look at the road, look at the township road, look at the road from Akure to Lagos. Look at it. I mean to Ibadan. Look at it. Yorubas, the people living Yorubas are just hushings and rascals. They have no interest of anybody. That they have made money, they want to make more. So that I just see them as if, catching in on the interest of the people. 52 to 59. That's all. So that even up till now, as we are here, up till now, the NTA belong to us. Are you with me? Nigeria House in London belong to Western Region. So my fears now about regional government now is that even if peradventure regional government is now created as everybody go back to the region, these thieves will hijack it because they have already monetized, the political space in Nigeria.
Sunday Igboho.
Sunday Igboho.
And the likes.
Yes.
From Yoruba Nation.
Yes. Let me tell you, you see, I love that man. I love that Sunday Igboho with everything in my life. I love him passionately. I love him in any other way. That boy had no reason giving himself problem. He has enough money to maintain himself. But because of our heritage, the boy you can see, that's the mission given to him by God. Are you with me? That's the mission given to him by God. But is it not the same as people too that sold them? So what with the problem we have, I don't know how we're going to address it. Regional government or no regional government, the only thing that I believe that will solve this problem is a common breakdown of the whole system. Then everybody will now go back home and face. That's all. Because I am sure they are still going to come back to that regional government with the way things are going. I'm sure I look at it with a microscope that 2027 election in this country, I give it 5%. Because if you look at it, people are tired. Everybody's tired. If they are stockpiling money now to bribe people, already Nigerian naira is valueless. So, what costs us? Nobody is going to take the money. Ṣẹ́ni tí ebi pa ìyá ìkúnnísì ló máa ló fẹ́ gbowó lọ́wọ́. It has never been this bad. When all other parties, when PDP was there, gbogbo pariwo ni, what type of the government is this? And we report absolute confidence in Tinubu, believing that he's a Democrat. He's even the worst of them all anywhere in the country. I've never seen such a person. You see him, he doesn't care. He believes above anybody, any system. He believes that all because what he was doing in Lagos, because he was an corporeal leader in Lagos, nobody could question him. He brought that to federal space. And now he does what he likes with impunity. Look at the wife, look at the son.
Àwọn kan ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ lábẹ́lẹ̀ láti mú kílẹ̀ Yorùbá kó lómìnira kí.
Look, no. It's his own game plan. His own game plan. That if the opposition becomes very thick and the cloud becomes very thick, the only thing he wants to do, are you with me, is to split the country into regional government. Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yorùbá lè wà lọ́tọ̀.
Gbogbo wọn the 6 geopolitical zones are malo.
Okay.
But we have a central unit, just like what we have in the regional government. You understand? The parliament. Yeah, exactly. But even Chaya èèyàn lè ṣe àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe bí Awólọ́wọ̀ dà sáwọn olè wọ̀nyí náà ló máa ṣe bí Awólọ́wọ̀. Ọmọ tó máa gbẹ̀yìn èèyàn ṣe bá má ti mọ̀ ìrìn ẹ̀ lámá ti mọ̀ náà. Àbó nǹkan lélẹ̀ gbogbo asset Awólọ́wọ̀ ti wó gbogbo ẹ̀dá. Instead of developing that, kò ń ṣe ọmọ Yorùbá ló yẹ kí àjẹmọ́ láíláí níbi tí bàbá yẹn gbé wa dé. Olè ojú kòkòrò gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ wo ọ̀tẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n wo gbogbo ẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ní ìṣe wa wo Yorùbá ní ìṣe àwa lára èyí jù ní Nàìjíríà náà tẹ́ bá dé anywhere níṣẹ́ máa rá àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò wọ́n tajà lọ Haúsá wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan tó wù wọ́n Yorùbá nìkan ló ní problem níṣẹ́.
Ẹ̀yin apá àríwá Nàìjíríà ni ẹ̀ ń gbé. So bíbẹ̀ yẹn ṣe wà yìí ó sàn ju ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lọ.
Kò síbi tó dáa tó lẹ̀ Yorùbá ibi ìgan ọ̀dọ̀ wa nìkan ni peace wà. There is no peace anywhere. Are you with me? I have suggested this thing over 10 years now that we need to bring up our hunters. Àwọn ló mọnú igbó yẹn. Are you with me? We don't need all this cosmetic officials situation. No. Let us bring in our hunters.
Àwọn ọdẹ ìbílẹ̀.
And fix them on salaries so that right then they ma fún wọn ìyàwó ọmọ gbogbo wọn lè gbọ́ bùkátà ara wọn. And then gbogbo if you look at the southwest gbogbo they are bordered together. A town to they are bordered together. If there's a network between them, are you with me? We prefer hunters because they know their terrain. They know everywhere. And they go there to hunt. So anything somebody in there want to relay to other paramilitary. You understand? That's it. But we have to really bring them up. Each state must bring them up and give them good money.
Mo rò pé àwọn náà ni wọ́n ń gbé dìde torí mo gbọ́ pé.
No, this is rubbish.
Torí hunter náà ni wọ́n.
Excuse me, this is rubbish. Because why? They are having a central office. Are you with me?
Okay.
No matter what they are doing here, it will control from Abuja. Are you with me? So what they will suppress the ones in the south. Anywhere they want to operate, they will suppress them. It is the state. We want the state police. We want the state hunters. Let each state recruit them. Not a central one at all.
Pé kíkó wọn sábẹ́ Nàìjíríà yẹn lè.
Ẹgbẹ́ bákan náà ni àwọn Fúlàní la máa direct wọn lókè nǹkan tó bá ní kí ṣe náà wọ́n máa ṣe tí wọ́n bá mú yàn bí wọ́n ní kan filẹ̀ máa filẹ̀ torí kò fẹ́ gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ ló sanwó wọn so of what benefit is that to us.
Ọ̀nà àbáyọ báyìí ni pé àwọn bàbá tí ń bẹ lábúlé òun ni wọ́n ní láti.
Àwọn gan kò sábúlé tí ò lọ́lọ́dẹ kan profile wọn tán bá profile wọn gbogbo wọn náà ti mọ bí wọ́n mọ ìlú wọn wọ́n mọ oko wọn gbogbo kò sẹ́ni tó wà tí ò lóko.
Ṣùgbọ́n lára àwọn ọmọ ọdẹ náà ló ti darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn yìí.
Nǹkan tí mò ń sọ nìyẹn kò sí mọ́ ṣe fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ number one wọn ní fún wọn ní equipment wọn á frustrate wọn salary wọn ní tó wọn jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ náà máa ṣe cosmetics ní gbogbo ilé.
Nísìnyí tí ìjọba ti dá ọmọ yìí wá fẹ́ fún wọn bọ̀. káfíń fàyè gbà wọn láti máa lò gan.
àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó ń lò dà sójà tó ń lò dà àwọn kọ́ ni àwọn Fúlàní ń pa ẹ̀ so àwọn wo làwọn ilé ní àwọn mílítì kan tán tẹ̀ àwọn kọ́ náà ń pa ẹ̀ are you with me kí náà ṣàfẹ́ kí làwọn ilé ìfẹ́ náà so it's not possible.
orúkọ yín sà.
Evangelist Gbénga Adékúnlé.